Mga migs, for this video, we have this equation, b times b times b times b over b plus b plus b plus b equals b. So in our solution, we have to apply a law of exponent since we are going to multiply 4b's in the numerator. Then at the denominator, we have also 4b's to be added. So we get b raised to 4 equals 4b equals b. Then this b raised to 4 can be written as b cubed times b over 4b. The purpose is to cancel b at the denominator and 1b at the numerator. So we get b cubed over 4 equals b. Then multiplying both sides by 4, we get b cubed equals 4b. Then in this equation, we can divide both sides by b. So we get only b squared equals 4. Then in this equation, you have to get the square root in both sides of the equation. So you have b equals the square root of 4 equals plus minus 2. So there are two values of b, positive 2 and negative 2. Thank you for watching.